It's Patrick and Lester at Pals. Mini Coopers. We love them. They usually come in for mechanical problems. Lester, why is this Mini Cooper here?
The customer's complaint is he's got an airbag light on the dash. So we went in and troubleshooted it, diagnosed it. It comes out to be the airbag is good.
So the airbag has failed, and the car let him know, or she know, that the airbag is not working properly. You went through the procedure and found out that we need to replace it. Now, what's involved with replacing an airbag?
We got to disconnect the battery, let it sit for a little bit so it drains all the energy that is stored in the capacitors. Because if you just wrong move, short something, and all of a sudden it blows.
Wow.
And that's you get injured from. So what you got to do is disconnect the battery, let it sit for about 10 minutes so everything drains down and goes to dead. Then we got to take the steering wheel, take some screws out of here, and take the steering wheel off to change it out.
Wow, so this has got to be done in a precise fashion or you could get hurt.
Correct.
So the airbag that protects you can also hurt you. You have to have the right procedures. If you've got a faulty airbag, come to Pals. See you soon.